morning, my name's Dave, welcome back to the channel. This is an alternative channel to all the others because Dave is an off-roader and Dave's going to find a green lane. It's called the Sutton Heath loop. So as we go through Sutton Heath here, Sutton Heath, I'd like to thank every last one of you for sticking with Triple Dave, the bell end. No bike reviews, no promotions, no bullshit. Just me, the Triumph, and the open road. Yes. No economy tips to show you how you can run your motorcycle more economical. Balance. Just me, the albino deers, and the Triumph 955 injection. Now up here, this has been in the planning for days. This is now Sunday morning. There is a green lane loop which goes down there where that dog walker is. That is the trouble. I tried to get out a bit earlier to avoid all the dog walkers, but it hasn't worked really, has it? See, that says private estate. Well, we're gonna go for it. Shit, we've come this far, ain't we, boss? We've come this far, ain't we, boss? See, most people that go off into the woods, won't they, boss? Oh, look at a little bit. Oh, that's a little bit sandy, but we're gonna have to stick. This is either gonna end up alright or very, very terrible. But it says this is legal, any vehicle byway, so in my books that's alright for me. Oh, this is great, isn't it? It's a bit potholey, isn't it? But I'm a bit wary because we had all that rain, haven't we? But we'll keep with it, bud. This goes down here quite a way, I believe. There are bound to be some bell end stoppers, but there you go. Oh, bumps. That screen don't help, you know. We're gonna have to stand up, aren't we, huh? Oh, this is great. Keep the concentration. Speed. Oh, there's a gate, look. Oh. What's the idea of that, then? You can get through there, can't you? Probably for the animals, isn't it? Let's see what it says on this sign here, shall we? Them red arrows, I've seen them when I've been doing my... There you go, byway, look. Byway to the highway. Well, open this. Are we all enjoying this so far? I will shut the gate after. Oh, the mighty Triumph. Private estate, but there you go. Private estate with a byway. That don't feel like that's bit very much. Just stay there for a second, bike. Stay upright. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? If it fell over, not even with me on it. Anyhow, right, let's carry on. Off-road, eh? Liking this, Nigel? We shan't go nuts because you've got to pay respect to the animals, haven't you? Like, where that one going? I'm just glad that's not... Oh, that's... See, these tyres aren't really made for this sort of malarkey, are they? I did look at another set of tyres. Them Anarchy Adventures. Oh, if this get too thick, boy, we're going to be in trouble along here, I tell you. Yeah, Anarchy... That screen don't help because I'm looking through it. Anarchy Adventures. Demon Tweaks, where I got these ones from. Because this rear one is, like I said before, squared right off again. That's bloody ridiculous. How many times is Dave going to fall off? You know what you should do? Speed, Dave! Yeah, so I looked at them. They look alright. Aside of them, I don't want nothing... Oh, I don't know. I ain't gonna... These are more or less brand new, so I ain't gonna get them. Like 300 quid, isn't it? £281 for the pair. This look a bit dodge pot. It's just the sand, isn't it? And these tyres, just they're more or less friggin' road tyres, aren't they? Do you know what I mean? No parking on the byway. Oh, this is great, isn't it? Huh? Are you liking it? But it goes down, I'll show you, that does come out on where all the dog walkers congregate. Oh, bit of wood. See, this would be fun with something with a bit of knowledge on it, wouldn't it? You could give it some... Well, I would anyway, because I'm a bit of a nut, ain't I? I hope you all enjoyed the oak tree video. I done it on my phone, and the only kicker was that stupid little toy drone I had, we sent up, and I hadn't linked it to the bloody phone, had I? That had come up on the phone as in the image of the camera, but it didn't record anything, and that would have been bloody awesome as that went up above the oak trees, and then across that pig field. Oh, this is dodgepot sand. Yeah, that would have been alright, wouldn't it? That would have been quite good footage. Now, do we do a right here, or just carry on? I'm not too sure now. Oh, this is the right, isn't it? Oh, we're in thick sand, but shit. I'm in the wrong gear. Oh. Yeah, it's a bit sandy, but yeah, so it's only a toy drone, so it didn't matter too much. But the footage, that would have been bloody awesome. As it disappeared over via the morning. All right. God, dog was gonna have me. I think I knew Yeah, as that went over the, whoa, shit. This is sandy, isn't it? As it went over the, pig field, that would have been quite amusing. No, this is a bad idea with these tyres, Dave. I'm all over the bloody shop here. You need a bit of knowledge, Dave, for this. Fucking hell. This is silly. Gotta keep going, haven't you, boss? Huh? That looked like somebody else has wobbled through here as well. So you want to give it speed, but you can't really, can you? If you had knobblies, that'd be better. Do you know what I mean? Man, this is silly. This is getting a bit silly. Can't do nothing about it though, can you? Huh? Just take it slow, but the front is going, but is it like this all the way, boss? Oh, it could be a bit harder, couldn't it? Huh? Be alright on four wheels, wouldn't it? Oh, perhaps that'd look a bit harder up here, but cool, I tell you what, my arms, bloody hell. See, there's all these little bits what go off, but we'll keep going along here, boss. I think that turns into like a little path. Oh, it's a bit harder now. Hard! Soft! Hard! Soft! Whoop whoop. All them years ago when I was 17, when I had an MTX 125, why didn't I ever think of coming down these roads? Never did at all. The byways. Whoa. Do you see me struggling to keep it going in a straight line? This is like, tell you what, I'm gonna need a freaking hell. I know what itchy boots feels like now. Just bogging down in the sand, mate. No grip, is there? Absolutely no grip on the front there. Whoa, we're all over the kin place. Whoa. Oh, my friggin' arms. Come on, Dave, not far to go. Don't give up. We don't give up, do we? Huh? That's a lovely morning for it anyway. That was quite dull first thing. Whoa, fuck. Fucking hell. This weren't my brightest idea, was it? Huh? We are in first. Shit, that nearly went then. Trouble is, I won't be able to pick it up if I drop it. Do you know what I mean? Just down to the bottom here, Dave. Let's just take a breather for a minute. There's some people here just in case I do drop it. Loads of people. Probably thinking what a dick. Oh, thick bit, thin bit, hard, soft. Here we go. Oh. That weren't a bright idea. Bit sandy, innit? There we go, we get up here, boy. Ah. Oh, hear that? That's the fan. Take a little break, mate. Take it all in. Yeah, you can see, Jesus, my arms. Oh my God. Right, get ready for a thumbnail. Guys and girls. That'll do, won't it? Huh? Oh, shit. My arms are like jelly, bud. Right, let's carry on. Holy shish butts. Oh, my arms feel heavy. Into the sand we go. Whoa, shit. Oh, this is a bit of a reprieve. Yeah, I think that goes, we're either going to bend the bike or get a puncture. This does turn into more of a footpath. We can't be far off. You'll know where we are when I come out. I think. That's if David took a wrong turn. Oh Jesus, tell you what, I admire the old boys who do the scrambling, because Jesus Christ, just messing about doing this at 2 miles an hour, my forearms are absolutely burning. I can see the glint of cars. Do you know what, if I knew it was going to be that deep of sand, I'd have stayed in bed, mate. We've done it. Not quite yet, Dave. You ain't got to the end yet. Oh, this has been brilliant, really, apart from the pain. But as they all say, no pain, no gain, as we go through the gorse bushes, which are full in flower, Genistas. Oh yes, just to finish off some real deep sand to finish. People are saying, oh, this is for dog walkers only. Well, I can tell you, this is for the Triumph Tiger. Morning. There we go, we've done it. The Sutton Loop. The Sutton Loopy-Loo. Oh man. Yes, Dave done it. I've been thinking about doing that for bloody since Friday. Now I've done it, and I wish I hadn't. Sam, anyhow, I hope you enjoyed that. Dave does the Sutton Heath Loop.